All right, boys and girls, we are starting on Stevenson Grammar, item 14 on page 39 today. You will be doing numbers 1 through 4 with me, and then 5 and 6 for homework. Okay, so today we're starting something new. We are going to identify forms of verbs to be and to have. So many verbs show action, but some are tricky, such as the forms of verbs to be and to have. And on the side, what I want you to do is write the examples of the to be and to have verbs. So let's write to be and to have verbs. And let's write the list. So we have am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, have been, shall have been, will have been, have, has, had, shall have, will have had, had, shall have had, and lastly, will have had. So like I said, boys and girls, these are all to be and to have verbs. So we're going to start off with item number 1. And with the to be and to have had words, we still mark them just as if they were a verb phrase. So number 1, we have Todd is the boy in the green shirt. So we're going to start off, we know that Todd is our subject. And then we look at this first word, we have is, and this is on our list over here, so we know that it is a to be verb or a to have verb. This is a to be verb. So we're going to put MV for main verb, and we're going to double underline the boy in the green shirt. We know in the green shirt is a prepositional phrase. In is the preposition, shirt is the noun, and then we have 2 adjectives here, which is the and green. So I'm going to draw my arrows for both. To the noun. All right, excellent. Okay, next one. At the right time, Scott left for the airport. At the right time is a prepositional phrase, so we wiggle. At is our preposition. Time is our noun. And then again, we have 2 adjectives. So I'm going to draw an arrow for both towards the noun. Okay, next. Scott left. Scott is our subject here, so I'm going to put 1 underline and write subject. And we have left, which is a verb, action verb. And we're going to double underline for the airport. So I'm going to wiggle because we know that's a prepositional phrase. For is the preposition. Airport is the noun. And the is the adjective. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Jane has books in her desk to study. So Jane has, let's look at our list. And we have has right here. So we know that that is a to have verb. So we're going to mark this as our main verb, double underline, and Jane is our subject. So books in her desk to study. So in her desk is a prepositional phrase. So in is the preposition. Desk is the noun. And the adjective is her. And then to study is a verb phrase. So I'm going to check off that to, and then I'm going to put a V for verb, and then double underline the study. All right, perfect. So we are going to move on to the next one. We have Howard was at the game in time to play. So Howard is our subject. We're going to underline that. Was, it's not an action, but it is on our to be and to have lists, was. So I'm going to double underline because it's our main verb. At the game is a prepositional phrase, so I wiggle. I'm going to put P for preposition, N for game, for noun, and then the is my adjective. In time is also a prepositional phrase. P for preposition, for in, noun is time. To play is a verb phrase that shows action, so we're going to check it off. We're actually just going to do one underline for the verb. And then, boys and girls, for homework, you're going to complete numbers 5 and 6 tonight. Make sure you remember your to be and to have phrases, and I will see you tomorrow. Your secret code is to cloud your to be and to have verbs. All right, see you tomorrow.